What's the meaning of bight? Bight. Bight.
Bight. Bight. Bight is a nautical term that refers to a curve or indentation in a coastline, often forming a bay. It can also refer to a loop or slack part of a rope or cable that is between the ends and not under tension. Additionally, bight can be used to describe a bend or curve in a river or stream. The term has historical significance in sailing and navigation, as sailors would use bights to find shelter from storms or strong winds. Today, bight continues to be used in both nautical and non-nautical contexts and is a useful vocabulary word for those interested in maritime history or outdoor recreation.